All right, let's get you in on the WhatsApp channel Wave. It's basically like your own broadcast platform, part newsletter, part social feed, all vibes. No DMs, no chaos, just updates straight from you to your audience. So think of it as a one-way group chat where you only post if followers react with emojis, right? Perfect for creators, brands, or even your inner circle. People join your channel to get updates, announcements, or exclusive stuff without the noise of group messages, right? So, first of all, make sure your WhatsApp is fully updated to the latest version, right? Go to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for WhatsApp, and tap update if there is one available. Channels are available only in WhatsApp version 2.23.18.75 or later for most regions. Now, what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead to the updates, right? So I'm gonna hit the updates right here. Go and hit the updates at the bottom, okay? And what you're gonna do, go ahead and hit explore, right? And hit the plus button at the top right to create a new channel. And then hit continue. You're gonna name the channel, right? Keep it short, clear, and memorable, right? So you can change it later. And tell people what your channel is about in the description. For example, daily tech updates or insights by you. Add your logo, selfie, or icon that fits your channel's vibe, right? And tap create channel once you're done. Okay, now we created our channel. Right, let me go back. So stay on the update, right? And you're gonna see the channels right here, and this is your channel. So I'm gonna click my channel right here, right? And now your channel is live. Okay, you're gonna share channel link, so you let people know that you created a new channel. You can tap the pencil icon right here if you want to modify anything, your channel name, whatever. And here you're gonna be able to stop post. But yeah, you can stop posting now. Okay, and add text, emojis, videos, or link even. Followers will see your updates instantly, depending on their notification settings. And they can react with emojis, but not reply, which means no spam, no random texts, just peace in you. Now, you're gonna share your channel. You can hit the share or share it to your status first, and you can copy the channel link and send it across multiple platforms, right? Twitter, X, Telegram, etc. or QR code for your channel, so people can scan and join easily, right? Bonus for a killer channel: be consistent, post regularly, like a daily routine. Keep updates short. People skim on WhatsApp. Use visuals, photos, short clips, and memes grab more attention than walls of text. Post exclusive stuff, teasers, early access, polls. Cross promote. Mention your channel in your other social media bios or videos. Okay, so you can edit the channel info anytime, delete messages within 30 days, block screenshots or and forward, coming soon in updates. See your followers count, but followers remain anonymous to each other. Okay, and if you are building multiple projects, you can create multiple channels under the same WhatsApp account. Manage all of them from the updates tab. Easy switching between them. Example for channels: content creator. This is John's daily edits, behind the scenes of your video work. Investor, maybe Richard's finance updates, right? Or Richard's finance updates. Short notes on crypto and tech moves. Motivation, right? Thatcher's morning energy, your 1 minute mindset dose. So if you can't see the channel, update WhatsApp, restart, or check if it's rolled out in your region. If it's not available yet, join the WhatsApp beta program to get early access. If followers not seeing update, tell them to tap the bell icon on your channel to enable notifications. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.